In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change display language in Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and look to the top left corner of the window. Click on the File tab. This will open the main menu where Excel keeps its account, settings, and program options. Once you are in this area, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down through that sidebar until you reach the very bottom, then click Options. This will open the Excel Options pop-up window, which contains the main settings for how Excel looks and behaves. In the menu on the left side of this window, click Language. This is the section where you can manage language settings for the Excel interface. After that, look for the section labeled Office Display Language. This area controls the language used for menus, buttons, and other on-screen text inside Excel. To add a different language, click the button that says Add a Language. A list of available languages will appear. From that list, select the language you want to use as your new display language. Take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one, especially if there are multiple regional versions of the same language. Once you have selected it, click Install. Excel may need a moment to prepare and add the language pack, depending on your system and internet connection. When the installation is complete, find the new language in the display language list and click Set as Preferred. This tells Excel that you want this language to become the main language for the interface going forward. After that, click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the window to save your changes. You may then see a restart notification. Click OK on that message as well. This is important because Excel usually needs to restart before the new display language can fully take effect. Finally, close Microsoft Excel completely, then reopen it. Once Excel starts again, the display language should be updated, and you should see the menus and interface in the language you selected. If the language does not appear right away, make sure the installation finished properly and that the new language was set as preferred before restarting. That covers everything you need to know.